In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Systeme.io free account. We'll walk through the entire process from visiting the website to confirming your email to logging into your brand new account for the first time. You can follow along on your own computer or just watch once and then do it afterward. First, open your web browser and go to the official Systeme.io website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button that says something like Start for free now. Go ahead and click that button. When you click it, a pop-up window will appear asking for your email address. Type in the email you want to use for your account. This should be an email you check regularly because you'll need it for confirmation and for any important notifications. After entering your email, click the button that says Get My Free Account. The page will reload and you'll be taken through a short onboarding process. Here, Systeme.io may ask you a few simple questions. For example, whether you already have a business or what you're planning to use the platform for. Just answer these questions honestly. They're mainly used to customize your experience inside the app. When you reach the end of these questions, the site will ask for your email address again. Type the same email you used earlier, then click Submit. Next, you'll see a message on the screen saying that a confirmation email has been sent to you. Now, open a new tab or window and go to your email inbox. Look for a new message from Systeme.io. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute or two, or check your spam or promotions folder just in case it landed there. Open the email from Systeme.io. Inside, you'll see a link that says click here to confirm your email address. Click that link. This will open a new page in your browser, taking you back to the Systeme.io site. On this page, you'll be asked to complete your profile by entering a few basic details. Type in your first name and your last name. Then create a password for your account and re-enter the same password to confirm it. Choose something secure that you'll remember. After that, check the box that says I am not a robot. Complete any quick verification if needed, and then click the Save button. Once you do that, you'll be automatically logged into your new Systeme.io account. That's it. Your free account is now set up and ready to use.